How to install a junction box. Is a junction box really necessary? What is a junction box? Why a junction box is important. How to use a junction box. Loosen the 4 screws. Pass the cables from both sides through the opening and connect them to the corresponding terminals. Install the screws. It is generally used with our level sensors. If your sensor is installed outdoors, a quality junction box can significantly improve system reliability. HOLYKELL offers various accessories for your sensors. Contact us for more.